In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset styles to default in Microsoft Word using the Normal.M template. If the styles in Microsoft Word have been changed and you want to return them to their default settings, you can reset the Normal template. The Normal.Dotm template controls many of the default formatting settings that Word uses when creating new documents. Before making any changes, close Microsoft Word completely. Next, open File Explorer on your Windows computer. In the address bar, enter the location where the Normal.M template is stored. The exact location can vary depending on your version of Microsoft Word and Windows settings. Once you locate the Normal.M file, select it. Before making changes to the template, you can rename the file instead of deleting it. This gives you the option to keep the original file in case you need it later. Right-click the Normal.M file and choose Rename. Give the file a different name, then press Enter to save the new name. Now open Microsoft Word again. When Word starts and the original Normal.M template is no longer available under its original name, Word will create a new Normal.M template using its default settings. Open a new blank document and check the styles. The default styles, including Normal, Heading 1, Heading 2, and other built-in styles, should now be restored to their standard settings. You can also check the font, paragraph formatting, and other default document settings to make sure they have returned to the configuration provided by the new Normal template. Keep in mind that resetting the Normal.M template can affect customizations that were previously stored in that template. This can include customized styles, default fonts, macros, and other settings associated with the Normal template. That's why renaming the existing Normal.M file is useful. Instead of permanently removing it, you keep a copy that can be restored later if necessary. If the original Normal.M file is renamed and Word creates a new template, you can continue using Word normally with the restored default settings. If you later decide that you want to return to your previous customizations, close Microsoft Word again and replace the newly created Normal.M file with your previously renamed template using the original file name. And that's how you can reset styles to default in Microsoft Word by resetting the Normal.M template. Creating a new Normal.M file allows Word to return to its standard default styles and formatting. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,